Chatbots like ChatGPT are revolutionizing communication. What if you could create your own? Today, I will show you how to build a chatbot using simple libraries. Hi everyone, welcome back to the Skill Lift channel. I am Shahid, your guide to the world of AI. With over 10 years of experience, I am here to help you master AI ML. Before we begin, like, subscribe, and share this video so more people can learn how to build powerful tools like chatbots. Today, we will use NLTK library to create a chatbot that can answer user queries in real time with a cool graphical user interface. So let's get started. Hi. Today, we are diving into something super exciting, building a simple chatbot using Python. And guess what? We will also jazz it up with a sleek GUI, that is, graphical user interface, to make it interactive and fun. Whether you are a beginner or just looking for a quick project to flex your Python skills, you are in the right place. So let's get started. Alright, first things first. Before we jump into the code, we need to set up our environment. We'll be using NLTK, a fantastic library for natural language processing. If you haven't installed it yet, just fire up your terminal and type pip install NLTK. That is pip space install space NLTK and run the terminal, and the NLTK library or the package will be installed. Super simple, right? And while you are at it, make sure you have Python installed. Now that we have got that covered, let's build our chatbot. We will use NLTK for the text processing magic and tkinter to create a graphical user interface. This way, we are not just stuck in the terminal, we will have a cool little window to chat it. Okay? Here's what the chatbot will do. It will take input from the user, process it, and respond with predefined answers. It's not Siri level, but hey, we all have to start somewhere, right? So let me walk you through the code line by line. We will start by importing the libraries we need. Okay, so this is the first cell where we will import the necessary libraries. Okay, so let me explain these imports. NLTK, this is the Natural Language Toolkit, a powerful library for text processing. Chat, okay, chat is a class provided by nltk.chat.util to handle chatbot interactions. Reflections, okay, it's a dictionary that helps map pronouns like I to you in responses. The last one is tkinter and scrawled text. Okay, so these are the Python standard libraries for building graphical user interfaces. Scrawled text adds a scroll bar to our chat window. Next, we will set up our chatbot's brain. Okay, this is where we define patterns and responses. Okay, so check this out. We have this pairs defined. Okay, so let me break this down. Okay, so first thing is each item in pairs is a list. The first element is a regular expression pattern for user input. Okay, the second element is a list of possible responses. The chatbot randomly picks one when the pattern matches. Okay, so for example, if the user types hi, hello, or hey, the chatbot responds with one of the greetings in the second host. Okay, so here we have only one response defined for this input, so it will immediately respond with this answer. Okay, so now our chatbot can respond to simple messages, but how do we bring it to life? let's connect it to a graphical user interface using Inter. Okay, this is where it gets interesting. So before that, let's run this cell and we'll create the chat object. Okay, using the pairs and the reflections. Okay, so next thing is, okay, here's how we will set up the graphical user interface. Okay, so here let's go line by line. Now here we will define the function send message. Within that, user input equal to user underscore entry dot get. This gets the text input from the user. Okay, so this particular thing. Okay, this line of codes. Next thing is response equal to chatbot dot respond in the bracket user underscore input. So the chatbot processes the input and generates a response. Okay. So next line, this chat underscore window dot insert. Okay, in the bracket tk dot n and so on. Okay, this particular line of code, this adds the user input and the chatbot's response to the chat window. Okay. Next thing is user underscore entry dot delete in the bracket 0 comma tk dot end. Okay, this clears the input field after sending the message. Okay, so let's run this cell. Okay, now the function has been defined. Next, we build the graphical elements of the interface. Okay, the entire remaining script in the program, all these, okay, are used to build the graphical elements of the interface. Okay, so now root is equal to tk. This initializes the main application window. Okay, now here this line of code sets the title of the window. Okay, to the title of the window will be named as simple chatbot. Okay, so this particular chat window line of code, okay, it will, when it is compiled, okay, a scrolled text widget for displaying messages with a scroll bar will be generated. Okay, so next is user input field, user underscore entry. These particular line of codes, okay, so this is for it's an input field, okay, where the user types messages. Now next is send button, a button that triggers the send message function when clicked. Okay, next is the last one, root dot main loop. This keeps the application running until the user closes it. Okay, so once you have saved and run the script, you will see. Okay, so we'll just know what happens. So here we'll run the compile the codes. We'll create the chat window, user input, okay, send button. And now when you click the last cell to compile this line of code, so you can see there is a pop-up. Okay, so this is the chatbot. Okay, so here's what it looks like, in action. Okay, so once you saved and run the script, you will see this particular sleek little window pop up. Okay, now type in a message. Okay, and click on send, and bam, the chatbot responds. Isn't that awesome? Okay, so here's what it looks like in action. Okay, you type hi and it says, hi there, how can I assist you? Okay, so if you type bye and it gracefully bids you farewell. Of course, you can expand its knowledge by adding more patterns and responses. Okay, so we'll just see other, okay, let's ask the chatbot, what is your name? Okay, and click send. So now the response is, I'm a chatbot, you can call me AI assistant. Okay, now if you type bye and click on send, It will just bid you a farewell and say bye. See you soon. Okay. And there you have it, a simple chatbot, okay, with a graphical user interface. What's cool about this project is how easy it is to customize. Okay, you can add more responses, improve the user interface, or even integrate more advanced NLP techniques. So there are, the possibilities are endless. Imagine building advanced chatbots and more with expert guidance. Join our AI ML Bootcamp starting January 6th. Learn NLP, Generative AI, and machine learning with hands on projects. Get bonuses worth rupees 12,300 and lifetime access. Build a portfolio that sets you apart from the competition. Seats are limited. Register now for rupees 499 using the link in the description. Like and subscribe for more AI tutorials. Drop your chatbot questions in the comments and I will see you in the next video.